this is a developing field. We have seen the Scandinavian studies with imaging and biomarkers and imaging like ProScreen. There is a hope that if you add imaging and or a biomarker to a first elevated PSA, that you further can decrease the group of people that need invasive diagnosis. This has been shown in randomized trials from Göteborg 2, from Stockholm, and now Professor Alvinen from Finland is performing this in a prospective randomized trial in Finland as well. We are a little bit cautious about this hypothesis because our age group in PROBASE is 10 years younger than the other groups. Even if they start recruitment with 50, the median age is 61. So they are at least 10 years older than our patient cohort or participant cohort. And in our first investigations, and we also published these findings with biopsies, for example, MRI-guided biopsies in PROBASE. This is also an abstract at the EAU meeting. We actually don't see this dominant finding of an MRI to be discriminative in the same way like it is in the Scandinavian trials. So imaging is also in PROBASE used, but the MRI is not so informative in the younger man as it is in 10 years older. So we are working on this. We're using AI mechanisms to better find out about PIRATES 3 lesions, for example, in an MRI, and we have 50% of and close to 50% of PIRATES 3 MRIs that is completely different from the elderly population, where you usually have less than 20%. So this is the data that was derived from the Scandinavian trials is not 100% to be transferred in the younger population at 45 or 50 years. And every screening program will start with 50 at least. And so we need to be sure which test is working at this age group. And I think we have to concentrate on this first screening visit. And that is why PROBASE data are so important.